Hey, what is up everyone, Is here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the brown and black tone using Lightroom mobile, and this is the brown and black tone version 2 because I already uploaded a video on brown and black. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first go to light panel and then bring down the exposure to minus 0.20. okay, leave the contrast and then bring down the highlight to around minus 64. okay, now bring up the shadow to plus 81. Now bring down the white to minus 69. okay, now also bring down the blacks to minus 45, and we are done with the light panel. Now go to color. Now bring up the temperature to plus 5. okay, now bring down the thin to minus 24. okay, now leave the vibrance and saturation to 0. Now go to mix and then select the red hue and then bring up the hue of red to plus 47. Now bring down the saturation of red to minus 24. Now bring up the luminance to plus 13. Now go to orange and then bring down the hue of orange to minus 16. Also bring down the saturation of orange to minus 27. okay. Now bring up the luminance to around plus 13. Go to yellow and then bring down the hue of yellow to all the way down to negative 100. Also bring down the saturation of yellow to around minus 84. Now leave the luminance. okay, now select green and bring down the hue to all the way down to minus 100. Also bring down the saturation to all the way down minus 100, as well luminance to minus 36. Now select aqua sorry. Now bring up the hue of aqua to plus 38. Now bring down the saturation to minus 82. Also bring down the luminance to minus 38. Now select blue. Bring down the hue to minus 36. Also bring down the saturation to minus 82. Now bring down the luminance to around minus 62. Now select the purple and only bring down the saturation of purple to minus 100. Also the magenta, bring down the saturation to all the way minus 100. And we are done with the mix panel. As you can see, we are already getting the brown and black look. Now go to effect panel and then bring up the clarity to plus 30. okay, also bring up the DH to plus 52. Now bring down the vicinity to -17, leave the midpoint, and then bring up the feather to +100 and roundness to +81, and bring up the highlight to around 50. Okay, now go to split tone and then drag the highlight hue to 249 and saturation to 6. Now drag the shadow only saturation to +2. Okay, not 1 plus 3. Okay, now click on done. Now we are also done with the effect panel. Now go to the detail and then bring up the sharpening to around 25. So bring up the masking to around 50. Now bring up the noise to around +12. Also bring up the color noise reduction to +20. And we are almost done except for one step. So the last step is curve. Okay, I'm gonna rotate my device to portrait. So using curve we will add some contrast, also a little bit fade to a shadow. So we will try to create an S curve like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, now click on done and we are done. So now I'm gonna copy the settings. I'm gonna paste the settings on some photos. So yeah, I'll do it real quick, so you guys keep watching. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and also share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.